actions. Watch your actions. They become your habits. Watch your habits. They become your character. Watch your character. It becomes your destiny. One day your life will flash before your eyes. Make sure it's worth watching.
Number 15. Become so successful in life that those who went to school with you flex about it to everyone and show it off.
Singing like